for another video. In today's video, I'm going to do this makeup look. I'm just going to show you guys the eyes. This is the same makeup that I had in the video for the finger waves on dry hair. I will link that video if you want to check out the hair after you finish watching the makeup video, or vice versa. So this is just a nice kind of bronzy, orangey, little bit of reddy kind of sunset eyes type of look. It's really easy. I use the BH Studio Pro palette to create this look, so I'll show you guys the colors I use, the order that I apply the colors in, the techniques that I used, and I'll show you the finished product once everything's all done. So if you're interested in this eye look, then keep watching. Okay guys, the first thing I did was prime my eye, and then I go in with this first color. It's very orangey, but it's really light, so this is going to be our transition shade, and I'm using a fluffy brush here, and I'm taking that color all over my lid. The next thing I like to do is go ahead and add my highlight so that I can blend the highlight in with my transition color. I think it looks better and it comes out more blended in the end. Here I'm just going back in with that same fluffy brush. I didn't add any more product. I'm just blending in the highlight color with that first base color. This is now the second color we're using here to just deepen the crease. And I'm just going back and forth with windshield wiper motions to get that color laid down. Now the third color is like a kind of a brownie color, a dustier brown color, and I'm putting that right in the crease, and as you can see on the outer edge of the eye is where I'm concentrating that color. I laid it down with a stiff short brush, and then I'm going back in with that fluffy brush again to blend everything out. Next I'm taking an even deeper brown color, it's almost black, and this is just going to deepen it even more, and I'm laying that almost exactly on top of the last color. And again, you see me focusing on that outer edge of the eye. Back again with that same fluffy brush. It's really good to always go back in with a blending brush so that everything looks smooth and you don't have any clear marks between the colors. Taking this color here and placing this just on my lid. That's a really short and stiff brush that I'm using there, and I'm using it to just kind of pack the color on. More patting motions than rubbing or blending motions, more patting than swiping here. And I'm just going to lay that color down, and I'm going from the inner corner of my eye near my nose out to about 2/3 out over to the edge of my eye, but not in that outer V. So here I'm just going to go back in the next few steps and deepen up each of the colors that I already applied. So basically reapplying them in the same order that I already laid them down, but using less product this time. This is just to deepen the colors so that we don't lose anything. Taking that fluffy brush one more time, blend, 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 and then blend again, ladies. Here I took my finger and took this shimmer color and just packed it on top of the color that was already on my mobile lid, and it just gave it a little more of a pop so that the eye will stand out a little more. It looked a little bit washed out. I'm taking that same color and I'm just adding it to the inner tear duct here to give it a little pop. These are the eyes finished on the top. So now I'm going to go in and work on the lower lash line. And basically I'm going to put the same colors that I put up top. That first color I'm applying here is that light orangey color again, and I'm just using a flat brush. And I'm just laying it really close to my lower lash line. And then connecting it on the edges, almost in like a V. You can see it there, it's almost like a slight wing, which I like to do with my shadow color. And then I'm going back in with that deeper color there, and I'm only concentrating this color on the outer edge of my lower lash line because I don't want to bring it all the way in to where my nose is. And then taking that color that's almost black, and at this point I'm pretty much on my waterline. I'm going to go back in with that fluffy brush and that first orangey color, and I'm just blending everything on that lower lash line out so that it looks smooth and seamless. And then those are the eyes done. I went back in, I added lashes, black liquid liner, and then black eyeliner on my lower lid, and that's it. Okay y'all, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the makeup content that I've been creating for you guys. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them down below. I will get back to you guys. I always read that stuff, and any feedback you can give me would be great because this is something new that I'm adding to the channel. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. Thank you for watching and supporting. If you're not a subscriber but you like my content, please hit that subscribe button before you leave. And until next time, y'all, bye.